बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिशरह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़िहना फ़िद्दीन आमीन. Dear students, in previous class we have solved question number 1 of exercise 5.3. In that question we learn how to take square root of numbers by division method. Today we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3. Question number 2 is find square root of the following common fractions by division method. Students, we already know how to find square root of fractions by factorization method, by prime factorization method. Today we will learn how to find square root of fractions by division method. So this is our part number first, 36 by 49. A fraction is given to us and we have to find square root of this fraction, that is 36 by 49. Let's start solution. First of all, we will rewrite our question, that is 36 by 49, and then we will put a sign of square root on it. Now what happened, as square root is present on both numerator and denominator, so we will put here separately square root on numerator and also on denominator, like that we have already done in prime factorization, that take the square root separately on numerator and denominator. Again in division method we will take separate square root of both numerator and denominator. Now students, first we will take square root of 36 by the simple method that we have learned in question number 1. How? First of all, we will draw the lines just like this. Then we will write our number, that is 36 inside it. Then we will make the pairs from right to left. Only one pair is here, that is 36. After this, we will think about a divisor over here, so that we multiply this divisor with itself. Must remember, in square root we have the same digit in divisor and in quotient. If here we have 6, here we must write 6. We can't write here or take here any other number. Got it? So if we guess a number 6, so we have to multiply 6 with 6. Okay, if you want to try 5, then 5 5s are 25 and that is too much smaller than this number. Then we will try 6. 6 are 36, completely divisible. 36 minus 36 is what? 0. Remainder is 0. So what is the answer of square root of 36? That is 6. Next, we will find square root of 49 with the same method. First of all, we will draw the lines of square root. Then we will write number 49. After this, we will make pairs from right to left, that is 49. Then we guess a divisor over here, so that we multiply this divisor with itself. This is the root. This is the rule of square root. Here must be square. 7. So 7 will multiply with itself. 7 sevens are 49, and then subtracted we get 0. So square root of 49 is what? 7. Again we will rewrite this complete question over here. The square root is equal to square root of 36 is equal to 6 and square root of 49 is equal to 7. So our answer is 6 by 7. Now question number 2, part number 2. 225 divided by 484. The same question, we have to find square root of this fraction. Let's start solution. First of all, we will rewrite our question, that is 225 divided by 484. Now we have to find its square root, so we will put the sign of square root on it. In next step, what we have to do, we will separately put sign of square root on numerator and denominator. In next step, first we will take square root of 225 and then we will take square root of 424. How? First of all, we will put sign of square root just like these two lines. Then we will write our number 225 inside it. After this, we will start making pair from right to left, means from the back of number. Got it? So this is our first pair, and in second pair we have the single digit, that is 2. after making pair, here what we have to do, we will guess a divisor over here, so that we multiply that divisor with itself and we get a number that is smaller than our first pair or equal to our first pair. Okay, tell me, can we write here 1 and can we write here 2? 1 2s are 2. No, this can't be happened. This is the rule of division, that if you writing here 1 1 2s are 2. But in square root, as I am talking about square root, here your numbers must be same. If you are selecting one divisor, then 1 multiplied with itself 1. 1 ones are 1. Then put sign of subtraction. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now what will happen? Complete pair 25 will come down. Not the single digit like division 2. Complete pair, this is square root, complete pair will come down, that is 25. Now what happened on this side? Here we will make a new divisor. How we will make the new divisor? This one will be added in this one. I didn't write here 1 plus 1, as we already have done a lot of practice by writing here in question number 1. That is 1 plus 1. So here I simply write 1 plus 1, that is 2. This is the solvent 2. Now with 2, we will guess a number, so that we multiplied this new divisor with that number, with the same number, and we get a number that is smaller than or equal to our dividend, that is 125. So 5 is the number. You can try here 4, you can try here 3. If you are trying here 4, then 24 will multiply with 4. If you try here 3, then 23 will multiply with 3. If you try here 5, then you will multiply 25 with 5. So when we try here 5, we multiply 25 with 5 and we get the same number, that is 125. Minus, subtract them, we get 0. Similarly, we will take square root of 484. First of all, we will make the pairs from right to left. Now, in first pair we have the single digit 4, so we will guess here a number. We multiply it with itself and we get a number that is equal to or smaller than first pair. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So we will not, there is no need to write here 0. The pair, next pair, complete pair will come down, that is 84. What happened with there? Here we have to make the new divisor. How we will make the new divisor? This 2 and this 2 will be added. 2 plus 2, we get 4. Now with 4 we have to guess a number, so that we multiplied. If you guess here a number 3, then you have to multiply 43 with 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are what? 3 4s are 12. Now 129 is bigger than 84. So we will try with 4 2 and we multiply 42 with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are what? 8, and we get what? 84. Means we will write here 2 and also in quotient 2. 42 2s are what? 42 2s are 84 and 84 minus 84 is 0. So in the last, what we will write? We will rewrite this step. And square root of 225 is what? 15. Square root of 484 is what? 22. 15 by 22 is our answer. Now see part number 3 of question number 2, 81 by 96. Again students, we have to find square root of 81 by 196. So we will put sign of square root separately on 81 and 196. First we will find square root of 81, then we will find square root of 196. First put the sign of square root, then write down 81 under it. Make your pair from right to left. Only one pair is this, that is 81. Now here what you have to do, you will guess a number, so that this number multiplied with itself and we get a number that is equal to 81 or smaller than. We have a number 9. 9 multiplied by 9, 81. 81 minus 81, 0. So square root of 81 is what? 9. Similarly, find out square root of 196. First, putting sign, then writing number 196, then making pair from right to left. Then what? The first pair, that is 1. Here we will guess a divisor so that it will multiply with itself and we get a number that is smaller or equal to your first pair. 1 ones are 1. 1 minus 1 nothing, 0, so there is no need to write. The next pair will come down, that is 96. Here what should you write? 1 plus 1 will be added and you get 2. Now what you have to do with 2, you guess. This 2, from where this 2 come? 1 plus 1. You will add this one in this one and from here you get this 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Now with 2 you have to guess different number. If you guess here 3, then you have to multiply 23 with 3. Here the number 4 is not allowed in square root. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 2 much smaller than 96. Then with 2 we will guess number 4. So we multiply 24 with 4. When you multiply 24 with 4, you will get what? We will get 96. 6 minus 96 is 0 and the remainder is 0. In square root we always have remainder 0. So 14 is our answer. Again rewrite our question and put the values. Square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 196 is 14. 9 by 14 is our answer. See part number 4. 729 divided by 1024. And we have to find square root of this number. Got it? First the square root of numerator and then the denominator. First of all we will put the sign of square root over here. Okay, numerator is written over here and denominator is written over here. There is nothing to be worried. We can write it, but we will put the values accordingly. Means first we will put the value of 729 square root and then this. Okay, 729, make the pairs and then start your division. 2 2s are 4, 7 minus 4, 3. Next pair will come down, that is 29. Here how we make the new divisor? 2 will be added with 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. With 4 we guess a number 7, so that we multiply 47 with 7. 47 with 7 and we get 329. Remainder is 0. Similarly, you have to make pairs of 1024 from right to left. Then make your divisor by your own. How? Select here such number that will multiply with itself and we get a number that is smaller or equal to our first pair. First pair is 10. So if we select here 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 much smaller. Then try 3, 3 3s are 9, nearest of 10. So 3 3s are 9, 10 minus 9 is 1, 24 will come down. Here how we make the new divisor? 3 plus 3 6. And from where I get 2, we will guess here a number that is 2 and multiply 62 with 2. If you guess here a number 3, then you have to multiply 63 with 3. So we guess here 2. You can do all of this work in your rough page or at the one side of your paper. 62 with 2. Multiply these 2, you get 124. Subtract these values, you get 0. Now simply put your answer in this question. First rewrite this one and then instead of square root of 729, square root of 729 answer is 27. Square root of 1024 answer is 32. 27 by 32 is your answer. Part number 5. In this part a mixed fraction is given to you, a compound fraction is given to you, a mixed number is given to you. That is 2 whole 14 by 25. Let's start solution. First of all rewrite your question. Then you convert this mixed number into improper fraction. This is a compound fraction. How we will convert compound fraction into improper? 25 will multiply with 2 and added with 14. 25 2s are 50. 50 plus 14, 64. And 25 will come as it is. So we have converted this mixed number into improper fraction, that is 64 by 25. Improper fraction means numerator greater and denominator smaller. Proper fraction means numerator smaller and denominator bigger. You know very well all of these things. So now we will find square root of 64 by 25. How? With the same method as we did in the previous question. Take separate square root on 64 and 25 with the same method. Square root of 64, 8 8s are 64. Square root of 25, 5 5s are 25. So square root of 64 is equal to 8. Square root of 25 is equal to 5. 8 by 5. Now can you leave your answer just like in this 8 by 5? So no, we can't. This is improper fraction. Got it? This is improper fraction. Numerator is bigger than denominator. So we will convert it into the compound fraction. As question is also in compound fraction, so convert 8 by 5 into the compound fraction and you get 1. Do you know how to simple division? Do the division. Numerator 8 inside, 5 denominator outside. 5 ones are 5. Now 8 minus 5 is what? 3. Now write this in the form of fraction. 1 whole 3 by 5. How will you write? 1 whole 3 by 5. 1 whole 3 by 5 is our answer. See part number 6. 1296 and 2025, or you can read it as 1296, 2025. Take square root of both of the numbers separately. First take square root of 1296, take square root of 2025. Making pairs, 3 3s are 9, 12 minus 9, 3, 96 will come down. 3 will be added in 3, 3 plus 3 we get here 6, so we guess here a number 6. You can do this work on one page of your paper. You can try different numbers over here. You can try with 6, you can try 7 and multiply with 7. You can try any number with 6 so that you multiplied that number with itself and you get the answer that must be smaller than this number or equal to this number. So we tried here 6, 66, 6 are 396. Subtract these values, you get 0. Now take square root of 2025. Make pairs from right to left. Now select here or guess here a divisor so that it multiplied with itself and we get a number that is smaller or equal to our first pair. So we get here 4, 4 4s are 16. 20 minus 16, 4. The complete pair 25 will come down. And how we will make the new divisor? 4 plus 4 is 8. With 8 we guess a number 5, so that we multiply 85 with 5 and we get 425. So 45 is the square root of this number 2025. Again rewrite this step. Now instead of 1296 we will write 36 and instead of 2025 we will write 45. 36 by 45. Now these values can be cancelled out with the table of 9. 9 5s are 45 and 9 4s are 36. 4 by 5 is our answer. Now students, classwork is your homework. You have to solve question number 2, part number 1 to 6 on your NEET register and send clear images of your work till 9 PM. Jazakallah.